This is a sponsored video for this office chair. We're gonna go ahead and get it assembled. So the first step is to place the legs on this piece here, and then it does have like a bolt that you put in underneath. And that is an E-bolt. So we're putting in the E-bolt here, and we have the tool. This is the F tool. We just screw that into place and do that for the rest of the legs. So that part is completed. The next thing we do is press the casters into the legs. We're gonna put this little cover back on here. Then we place the gas lift in the center hole just like that. So we're taking cushioned part 4 and attaching it to part 5 here. You can turn this over. We use this plastic piece right here. This is I. Place that in here. And then we use an A-bolt to secure that. So we do the same thing now with the left arm. The next thing we're going to do is attach the arm to the back of the seat. So it kind of has like a little groove here, and this fits into that perfectly. We turn it over and there's a hole up in here, and you use the A-bolt to attach this. The next thing we do is attach the whole back panel to the chair seat. So we have 2 holes like this on either side. So we're going to place that underneath here, and we're using the black washers with the C-bolts to attach the backrest to the seat. Next, we attach the adjusting mechanism here on the bottom. There's 4 holes, so pretty easy to do. And then we use the black washers and the B-bolts for that. So that part is done. The next step is we take this part and just insert it into the hole here, and then take the chair, turn it right side up on the floor. So the next thing is to attach the headrest, and that is adjustable, as you can see. So we're gonna pull this out a little bit. And we have the 2 holes. We attach that with the 2 D bolts. And the very last step, we put this little decorative cover in, just snap that in place over those bolts. Very pretty, and our beautiful new white chair is completed. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and test it out. So here is the chair fully assembled. Beautiful chair. I have the arms up so you can slide it right under your desk for easy storage. This is tiltable here, the comfortable headrest, and then you can adjust the lumbar support here. Pushes it out or in however you need, and this is like you see a separate kind of like seat lumbar area. And then these, as you can see, lift up out of the way. We have the regular adjuster here. Very easy to get the height that you want. This lifts right up, very comfortable. Love the white, it is just such a beautiful color. And then there's also an adjustment under here. There's a knob that you turn, and that enables you to have the seat tilt back. You can loosen it and this will tilt back easier, or be harder to tilt back, so you can kind of relax or not in your chair. So yeah, this kind of has like a little bit of give. I have my comfortable armrests, and this I think is one of the more comfortable ones that I have assembled and tried out. Very excited about how the armrest can be tucked away as well, and it's a beautiful, fresh, clean white color. Let's take a little bit of a closer look at it. One last close-up. Even the legs are crisp, clean white. Look at this beautiful faux leather seat. It has like the leather grain, and then this is kind of like a mesh type of fabric so that it's breathable against your back. And then we have the nice cushioned arms, so a really cool office chair. Didn't really take too long to assemble either.